Hey guys, Jack Scalfani, Cooking with Jack show. Okay, so we're gonna make a few changes to the show. Every so many years, I review the show and I think, how can I make it better? Well, we're gonna go back to basics. After Black Friday, we're gonna start going back to the Lazy Man videos, the product reviews, the rip-off recipes. We're gonna start doing more of those and go back to what made you wanna watch the show in the first place. I wanna let you know that the Black Friday show is going to be 2 parts. We have about like 10 plus items to show you. It's going to be in 2 videos. You want to be there because they're going to be YouTube premiere videos. What does that mean? That means you can watch it with me live in the morning and chat with me, and I'll be there watching it with you. Okay? It's a YouTube premiere, Black Friday episodes, lots of giveaways. We're going to be giving away the products. We're going to be giving away stuff that I'm not even reviewing. We're going to be giving it all away. All right, so today we're going to be making a breadless stuffing. We're going to do the same thing I did on the original stuffing video for Thanksgiving, but we're removing the bread, and instead we're using ground up pork rinds. Let's run down the ingredients. I've got onions, celery, butter, salt and pepper. I've got marjoram leaves, rub sage, walnuts, pork rinds, sausage with sage in it, and I think that's it. All right, we're gonna melt some butter and saute the celery and onions in this pan. Then right next to it, we're gonna cook the sausage over there in another pan. All right, now that the butter's almost melted, we're gonna put the celery in. Then we're going to put the onions in. Okay, so I'm making a few changes to the recipe. They will be represented in the recipe down below. Now we got to turn out, the vegetables have been sweated. You don't want to cook the vegetables any more than that. Just get them kind of soft and tender, then turn off your flame because we're going to add all the seasoning. One of the seasonings I forgot was poultry seasoning, but it's in the recipe down below. Sage, salt, pepper, I think it's called marjoram leaves. So you're going to mix the seasoning in while the flame's off. It's all done, just want to incorporate the seasoning. Another change that I'm doing is I like hot sausage, and our spicy sausage is only just seasoned with sage. The kind we bought from Jimmy Dean's or Tennessee Pride or whoever. So we're gonna add red pepper flakes, just a little bit, and we're gonna let them cook in. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is bring over our sauteed vegetables and dump them on top of the broken up pork rinds. I don't drain the grease or the oil or the butter or whatever it is that's in the pan. Same with the pork, I just dump it on in. But I am recommending that you mix this with gloves on. It's very hot. You don't want to mix it right now. I'm gonna put my walnuts in. Once again, use gloves when you toss this and mix all the goodness in with the pork rinds. If it seems not to be binding together, take a little bit of milk and just splash it in there. The milk will help make it moist and sticky. All right, guys, let's take a quick peek before you head out. We gotta tell you how it tastes. All right, let's just sneak a little bit right here. There we go. Give that a try. All right, that's a definite stuffing for this year. That is amazing. That's gonna work. That's so good. I'm gonna sit here and chow down. I'm not gonna eat this whole thing, but it's all ready and it's ready to be eaten, so we're gonna start carving. So I want you guys to do me a favor. Have a very happy Thanksgiving and be safe.